Um, Sanbonan guys, this is your girl Angel, and we're back with another episode, Jane Z, and I'm with my beautiful guests, so they will introduce themselves.
Hi guys, Dimula Nangigama.
Okay guys, so it's a big namhlanje we'll be talking about why a lot of women they are not successful. So angazi ukhona wena ongathanda uqala okanye mina I can go first. Alright. So there are like many reasons why abantu besifazane they are not successful. One of them is because gender stereotypes. Esikhathini samanje we still have abantu ababelieve ukuthi umuntu wesifazane akafanelekile ukuthi go out there and meet new people, athola ama-job opportunities. Into ekumele ayenze is just to stay at home and bear children, take care of the family, and which is not good because even umuntu wesifazane uyadeserve ukuthi akhone uku-upgrade i-life yakhe and take care of herself.
Hayi-ke mina ngizothetha ngokuthi like sometimes abantu besifazane abanye basaphila like in the olden days. Bacanga ukuthi yonke into kumele yenziwe indoda, like indoda must. They still living with that say ukuthi indoda must kulo mhlaba wamanje. That's why most women are not successful and nje kuningi.
Sister Mira, what can you say?
Can't say about it.
Okay, like abanye do not like uthini ngaba sisikolo or something ne, but abanye kaloko amakhaya kafana, bakhona abangenabazali, so xa ndimdala mna kuzomele ndifunde, yabo, like ngifumane into ezondethela imali, like so abanye ke bona yabo isolution ukuthi bahambe bathengisa umzimba wabo. Abanye ke ndingathini like kuba nzima uba umuntu afumane umsebenzi, so uzama ama-blazer, zama into
because kule light yama-2K vele i-blazer lizaqala
uyabona ke
vele kwenzele yonke into ubone noba sowungamelanga nokusebenza. Understood.
nalokho utuzeke ngena-choice mntase, yabo, like like abantwana abakini badiphende kuwe, so so okay, yeah.
Also basically wena ukhuluma ngama-economic constraints ukuthi nje we still living in poverty. Yeah, and then abanye they are suffering to get the money ukuthi ba.
So they take the easy way out.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, what can be other reasons guys, because hey,
Like okunye kaloko okay fine, so basemsebenzini ne, but kube khona umuntu
like
kube khona ilantuka, so
get paid ntonyana kanje.
omnye sisebenza umsebenzi ofanayo kodwa
Yabo uthola imali
omnye uthola imali eninzi ukugqitha umuntu wesifazane just because umuntu ongumama, into ezinjalo.
yeah, like abanye abakholelwa ukuthi like kwi-certain i-engineering, like ukuthi umuntu wesifazane
Angayenzi.
banala
Bavele baqashe vele abantu bamadoda.
So ke ngoku xa ndizofika mna phana kugcwele amadoda ndiyintombazana ndiyi-one, izoba khona into
Nawe vele angeke uzithembe uba ungakhona because vele labantu already they looking down on you. So.
yeah, so amadoda akazobhadala imali eninzi than mna.
Plus uzabe sokwenza umsebenzi ongabonakali because nawe awuzithembi mos.
Okay, ngiyanizwa ke bafazi. Mina I don't think I still have more points, not unless you have.
Kuningi kulo mhlaba wamanje.
Kuningi ne?